How to transfer Solana from Phantom wallet to Binance. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. Let me guide you through quick and easy on how you can transfer Solana from Phantom wallet to Binance. Well, let me guide you through quick and easy. In order to transfer Solana, you can first open up and access your Phantom wallet on your device. Now here I don't have any, but you'll find the option to transfer crypto, or you can see the send option, tap on it. Then you want to select Solana here. Once you do so, it'll ask you to enter in username or address here. You'll also get the option to scan the QR code. You can see here on the right below the next option, you can see scan QR code. You'll have to grant permission settings here. Now to get the address, you want to open up your Binance, right? On your Binance, you want to simply go ahead and proceed to tap on receive and then select Solana. Then you should get the address there on your Binance, remember? Then go ahead and either copy it, or you can share it, or you can scan the QR code directly that you are given. Hope this video helped. This is how you can transfer Solana from your Phantom wallet to Binance. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.